Hello, everybody. So, on 22nd of June 2012, I make the interview in Bangalore to start the CMPE department. And this interview was with my first associate, Mr. Vinay. On that day, I got a package, a gift. Yeah, this package actually has two gifts inside. First is amazing engineer, outstanding professional, and I got a friend for the whole life. And this is what Mr. Vinay represent for me. Yeah? My first associate and my good friend in India. So Vinay, now I know that you are going to have 25 years working for this amazing company. Yeah? I can tell you, I'm really proud to be part of the company that has people like you working together. My best congratulations, and let's see if you can have a chance to meet each other someday, someplace in this amazing company. Congratulations, Vinay.
Good evening. I know Vinay from quite long time. During the days he was in TEF 6. We had good interaction with him. He is always enthusiastic and very speed in his work. And coming back to after he moving over to the CTS department, we had great interaction because we had to move entire Banpi machines to Bidpi. He did a marvelous job where we could move 700 or 800 machines within the stipulated deadline, and his planning, coordination with various stakeholders was excellent. I thank Vinay on his completion of 25 years of his journey in Bosch and wish him all the best for many more years to come.
Hi Vinay, first of all, my heartiest congratulations and also best wishes on you reaching this milestone of 25 years with Bosch. I know I can imagine how proud you feel because I also just crossed this milestone only a couple of months back in August. We more or less started with Bosch same time and also in same department, the technical functions, TEF 3 in Bangalore. You supported me a lot in the role of as a mechanic technician, and also you were also work council member, and we had also positive collaboration and solving problems mutually. And you moved on to TEF 6, you changed your role from blue collar to white collar, and I watched with immense pleasure and pride how you made this transition very well, and you became a very valuable member in TEF 6 then. And even now you have made very good progress and you moved on in your career. Once again, please accept my wishes, and I wish you all the best and for all your future. Thanks, Vinay. Thanks to you also. Also wishes to your family too. Bye.
Hello, Vinay, and everybody there. When Naveen told me that you were celebrating 25 years of contribution by Vinay to Bosch, two thoughts crossed my mind. The first one was of awe. How come this boyish looking guy has completed 25 years of service to industry? The second one was of envy. I never looked so young when I finished 25 years of service to industry. May God give you this youthfulness forever. May God give you good health, happiness, and success in your endeavors. I remember your contribution to Birdi relocation project. Of course, with you were Bhargav and Vishwamohan, a formidable team which made this task a lot simpler and easier. Thank you very much for that. When I remember how you handled all sorts of subjects or topics with ease and without showing any stress on your face, be it Sugam, be it transporter problem, be it problems with regard to purchasing rules, etc. You almost single-handedly did everything. I know you would have met everybody, you would have spoken to so many to achieve whatever we wanted to achieve, but you did that with the charisma that you have. That is, you are able to get cooperation from everybody. Really, I admire your strength, perseverance, courage, and the planning that you did. You implemented almost everything that you planned and almost on time. So, Vinay, I know you will achieve greater heights. I know that you will be serving industry or Bosch for a long time to come. May God give you success in all your efforts. God bless.
Good morning, Vinay. Hearty congratulations on your completing a silver jubilee at Bosch. This is a great achievement and is a result of some very good, hard and smart work put in you by you, starting as an apprentice in the erstwhile Myco and now as a Boschler. I wish you many more successes. Keep continuing in this path and hoping to see you scaling greater heights. Wish you all the best. Jayaraman.
Hi Vinay, heartiest congratulations to you on completing 25 years with Bosch. I know it's been a very, very long journey, starting from a trade apprentice to what you are today. All along your career in Myco, you have been a very focused, dedicated individual and an excellent team player. My close association with you started in 2007 when I took over as BANP TEF7 and later on BANP FCM. Without your support, I would not have materialized so many upgradation and new projects in FCM. You always have been pushing the team to achieve the targets, and at the same time you have been a very good facilitator. Out of all the projects we completed, we can be really proud of the 66 kV project we completed in the year 2010. And from then on, I had an opportunity to again get associated with you, a part of CMPEIN for Biddi Phase 2 project. There again, you are always there to support me and others in the team to fulfill the overall project targets. I have never seen you lose temper. I have never seen the smile on your face fade away, irrespective of the work pressure you faced. That's something which is really great, and that made me feel many more years younger than what I am or what I was at that time. Again, it is a nice association with you working on the FBML project at Pune. It has always been a pleasure to work with you, take assignments from you, and I never felt that I'm out of place whenever I worked with you. You are a very good driver, at the same time an excellent facilitator, and you are only interested in the overall outcome of the project or the task, and never you have got into any personalities. This is something which I wish you continue forever in your professional life as well as your family life. I also remember at times when you are under severe pressure due to family problems, you never let that affect your professional tasks, and you always were there irrespective of whether it's a holiday or a Sunday. I take this opportunity to wish you once again all the very best in your professional career and your family life. I wish you and your family a very good future, good health, and all the best, Vinay. Bye for now. Hope to see you again and get a chance to work with you on a project at Bosch. Bye, Vinay. Bye.
Hi Vinay, congratulations on completing 25 years. It's been a great journey with you for the last 25 years. You're the first guy whom I would love to connect for your ever positive attitude. So keep spreading it, have fun, and let's continue this journey for some more years.
Hello Vinay, congratulations for completing 25 years in Bosch. I know it's a big milestone, but I also know that you have a long way to go. So keep the buckles up, don't relax yet, keep it for the end. And I wish you achieve your future goals with prosperity and good health. All the best, do well.
Hi Vinay, congratulations for completing 25 years of services at Bosch. Our association is for more than 28 years. With this association with you, I can synonym your name with humanitarian, dedication, trustworthy, lovable, smiley, comfort person. I wish you many more success in Bosch in coming years.
Vinay, it was pleasure working with you. I would say thanks to Almighty for giving an opportunity to spend time with you. It was a great time I had with you in completion of MS examinations, and also thrilled to travel with you in the truck in Ahmedabad. So it's a nice time, and then I wish you all the best and then keep rocking. Bye.
Hi Vinay. When I heard that you have completed 25 years of experience in Bosch, I think you are really the asset for Bosch. Congratulations and the best wishes for your 20th year journey. Thank you.
Hey Vinay, how are you? Working alongside with you has been one of my greatest pleasures of my life, and I hope you had a comfortable and happy journey during 25 years in Bosch. Today I remember the first day I met you in a Ben location, and we have worked FBML chip project, then particular in FBML Pune project. You are teaching me how to make lemon rice, bisi bele bhat, and so on. Really nice working with you. I wish you a happy 25th your work anniversary. Best of luck for future. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Vinay, hearty congratulations for completing 25 years at Bosch. What a great milestone, and what a great devotion and passion for this organization. I know from whatever we have worked together on, those lot of projects, I've seen you from close quarters, that you are a man who never gives up and you never say no to any challenge. And I really appreciate you for that. And there is so much that we can learn from you. And I want to thank you for all the support that you gave me in the projects that we have done together, be it the FBML project or the BIRDI project, or right now in the RBDI or AAS project. And you go always the extra mile to make things happen. There's so much things that I have to learn from you, and I wish to stay in touch with you, partner with you in all the future projects as well. Good luck, celebrate, and in the next week when I come, I will personally thank you again. Thank you, and stay in touch. Bye-bye.
Hello Vinay sir, happy 25 years at Bosch, all the best.
Hello Vinay, hope you're doing well. First of all, congratulations for completing 25 years of experience at Bosch. It has been a privilege working with you. As you're a cool guy, you're also very supportive and helpful to everybody who asks for support to you. And also I have always cherished to have a very good discussion with you regarding the various series that we watch in Amazon Prime and Netflix. So all the very best in future. Thanks.
Hi Vinay, congratulations on your 25th work anniversary. Your energy and enthusiasm, just like Salman Khan I would say, at this age is really a path for we youngsters to follow.
truly appreciate your hard working and connect with people. You have achieved a lot and you will achieve in future too. Enjoy your work. All the very best.
Hi Vinay, hearty congratulations. 25 years, what an amazing journey. Joining Bosch as a kid, way back as apprentice, and has grown, this kid has grown by 25 years. Kudos to you Vinay. Big congratulations. If I think about Vinay, what comes to my mind? Vinay, you are a Mr. Dependent, you are Mr. Stability, you have a calm head, a very balanced approach, and one thing I can tell you, whenever the task is given to you, the result is guaranteed. Your attitude of, I am there for you, or let's do it, or your simplicity, I think these are the qualities comes to my mind when I think about you Vinay. I think you had an excellent career in Bosch. So 25 years, and I think I would say very fruitful and eventful experiences what you had. From the organization point of view, I want to thank you. I want to say a big thank you to you for all your contributions to the organization.